The tools we need. Screwdriver, piston, 8mm hex key, hex key 8. Open the case and check the internal accessories. Carmine AI box Honda ENS1, Honda ENS1 cable, Honda ENS1 LVDS output cable, Honda ENS1 LVDS input cable, SIM card wire, radio antenna, 4G antenna, GPS antenna, 32P cable, microphone cable, Bluetooth Wi-Fi antenna. Remove the central speaker cover behind the center console screen. Unplug the sensor cable from the central speaker cover. Move the two screws securing the screen. Take off the bottom cover of the screen. Remove the two screws securing the screen at this location. Detach the screen. Disconnect all the plugs behind the screen. Remove the passenger side panel. Remove the passenger side air conditioning cover panel. Remove the passenger side air vent. Remove the 4 screws securing the main unit. Remove the passenger side storage box. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the bottom panel of the passenger side storage box, then remove the bottom panel. Unplug all plugs from the original car unit and remove the unit. Connect the power adapter from the AI box to the car unit's power line. Route the 2 LVDS cable and 1 power cable from the AI box to the passenger side and plug into the AI box. Attach the microphone above the rear view mirror between the headliner and the windshield. Remove the waterproof strip from the passenger side door panel. Open the passenger side A-pillar cover. Place the GPS module, radio module, and 4G module inside the A-pillar. Route the GPS antenna, radio antenna, 4G antenna, and microphone wiring to the original storage box location on the passenger side. Replace the passenger side A-pillar cover and the waterproof strip on the door panel. Connect the GPS antenna, radio antenna, 4G antenna to the AI box and connect the microphone. Place the AI box inside. Install the bottom panel of the passenger side storage box. Route the USB and SIM card connectors through the bottom panel and screw in the 4 screws. Replace the air conditioning vent cover and passenger side panel. Replace the passenger side storage box. Reconnect all plugs behind the main unit. Replace the 4 screws securing the main unit. Connect the AI box's gray LVDS cable to the original car unit. The original car unit's gray LVDS cable is not needed. Connect the rest as usual. Replace the screen. Connect the AI box's green LVDS cable to the original car screen. The original car screen's green LVDS cable is not needed. Connect the rest as usual. Replace the 2 screws securing the screen at the top. Attach the sensor cable plug to the clip and plug it into the central speaker cover, then cover with the cover plate. Replace the 2 screws securing the screen at the bottom, then cover with the cover plate. Start the car unit. Press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel for 3-5 seconds to return to the main interface. Open the Bluetooth interface. Click on the QA080 Bluetooth. Click OK to successfully connect. Press and hold the voice button on the steering wheel for 3-5 seconds to switch to the AI box system interface. The AI system startup is completed.